All right, y'all. So I have decided to get back out there and selling again, mostly because, I don't know, I think it'd be fun. I like proving people wrong. I hear a lot of people talk about how difficult this is. And my first real full month back out there doing this, I submitted 40K. I would love for some of y'all to come in and join the competition. I need someone to beat me because I keep beating my team and I don't even do this. So come at me, johnwetmore.com/Discord. We'll see you there. Happy Thanksgiving. This is John getting back to you. You had sent me a text a few days ago about, I just hadn't been able to get back to you yet. So just want to give you a call, man, and let you know I wasn't ignoring you.
Okay.
Wanted to see what your schedule looked like so I can put you on the calendar so we can go through some health stuff and I can get you some pricing.
Okay. I can talk now.
You can? Okay. Let's see. You said you put a text, you're looking for 20K in life insurance. Do you have anything now or none at all?
And I need some, I would love something above that cover burial.
Sure. Okay. Do you have any coverage now or nothing at all? You hear me, Bill?
Yeah.
Do you have any coverage now or nothing at all?
I don't.
You don't? Okay, got it. Uh-oh. Gotcha. Let's see. All right. Have you tried to get any and just been declined, or you just hadn't?
Yeah. Got some with one company, but I canceled.
Okay. Was it the pricing made you cancel, or what made you cancel?
Yeah, pricing.
Got it. Do you remember what they were charging you?
$87 for 20,000 coverage, and then accidental. Grand.
Got it. Do you remember who it was with?
I think Global Life.
Got it. That makes sense. Probably had a waiting period with it too, huh?
No,
didn't you got the immediate? Okay, cool. A lot of people at Globe tell me they have a waiting period on them. Let's see. How old are you? How old are you, bud?
62.
62. All right. Let's see. You good if I ask you some personal and kind of health questions so I can shop this thing around for you and see what's out there? Perfect. So 62. Let's see. Are you a smoker or no?
No.
No, non-smoker. All right. Any major health issues I need to be concerned about, or heart attacks, cancers?
No, I have spinal cord injury, but I'm disabled.
Got it. Okay.
Uh,
What happened?
that was a stunt man. I broke my back several times. Yeah.
A stunt man for like movies?
Yeah.
No way.
I have degenerative disc disorder, so it's a pain in the ass.
Yeah. No kidding. Did you do that long?
Yeah, about 30 years.
No shit.
Yeah.
Crazy. Who did you pretend to be? Like you had to pretend to be someone that was like the movie star?
Yeah. I was double for Mickey Rourke.
No shit.
Dennis Quaid.
Wow.
And a lot of other actors that aren't A-list.
No kidding. That's crazy.
Yeah.
Hopefully they took care of you for all that stunt work because they definitely made some money.
They fun while it lasted.
Yeah, I bet. Let's see. You in Wisconsin?
No, I'm in
Oh shit, I hit the wrong button. I looked at someone else. I gotcha. Let's see. Oh, you're in Georgia.
yeah.
Oh, where at? I'm in Marietta.
How are you? I used to live there.
Okay.
I'm in Pooler in Savannah right now. I'm getting ready to Athens.
Got it. Very cool. Not bad. Okay. And coverage, are you looking for just you? Or are you married, or what's your situation now?
No children, just for me.
Just you? Okay. Who would the beneficiary be in your case?
My friend.
Got it. All right. So I got the spinal cord. I assume you're on some pain meds?
No, I don't take pain meds, but
Okay.
I'm supposed to.
You do. Okay. Got it. Do you take prescriptions, or do you have anything prescribed for any other issues at all?
Yes, I have prescription. Pressure.
Okay.
And high blood pressure.
Okay. All right. No issues, no diabetes?
No.
Okay. Kidney issues, liver issues?
No,
Okay. And I assume you're not a smoker, so no breathing issues, COPD, none of that kind of mess?
no.
Okay. You're pretty healthy other than the pain.
Yeah.
Yeah, which makes you depressed. I bet I can, yeah. I get it. Got it. All right. Well, let's see what we got out there. Now, I know you had that $87. What's budget like today for you? Is 87 still an issue? We need to get lower, or where are you at with it?
Lower.
Okay. Okay.
65, whatever.
All right. I assume budget is more important than the premium at this time. We gotta make sure we stick within budget is the main. Okay, cool. All right, let's see. Have you had to deal with anybody in your life like passed away and deal with funerals and costs and stuff, or?
Yeah, my whole family's gone.
No shit.
Yeah.
What? Damn. I'm sorry to hear that, man.
Yeah.
You were married at some point, I assume?
Married, but I lost my
Oh, your immediate,
family.
like siblings and parents and stuff.
Yeah.
Got it. That's tough, man. What did were you involved in paying for the cost of the funeral and stuff? Do you know what that stuff runs?
No, it's all covered.
It was. Okay. It's fortunate. So no GoFundMe's had to happen.
No.
That's good. Which is what you're trying to avoid, I assume. Makes sense.
Right.
Okay. All right, let me pull up. What we'll do here, bud, is let me pull up. Let's see. Bill. What's your actual date of birth, Bill? Oh shit. So you got a birthday like in a couple days.
Yeah.
All right. So we'll try to get you in before the pricing goes up. How about that? Let's see. Let's do this. Have you applied for any insurance recently? Like when was that Globe one? When did that happen?
Yeah, I just got global and then I got out because the premium goes up too high eventually.
Yep.
And I also was with another company and got out because it was too high.
Okay. Which was the second company? Do you remember? I work with most of them. So I want to try to avoid the ones you already had. Do you remember the second company name?
The thing.
Okay. How tall are you, Bill?
5'9".
All right. Give me a rough idea of your weight.
200.
Okay. Right. So what I'm going to do then is I'm going to actually just make this super easy, and I'll actually just have the system pull your medical and prescription history. That way I can have it shop around and see all the pricing, and then we'll just run through which company I think can get you the best pricing. Because I represent about 30 of them. You said a non-smoker, right? So
Right.
it is. Yep.
Okay.
Yep. I'm going to see what kind of different discounts and things like that I can get you based on that. Yeah, some companies, as you know, Bill, take different payment types. Some take that little government card. Some take banking. They're all a little bit different. Do you have both available, like checking savings, or are you just on the Social Security card?
Yeah, that's fine. I've got both.
Okay. What's your email, Bill? Were you ever at any of the movie, like the facilities out here in Paulding County?
I was in a lot. I was in over 300 films.
Oh, shit. Everywhere.
It,
Yeah. I was in Dallas, Georgia for a while, and they got those warehouses where they record all the stuff.
yeah, been there.
Yeah. I used to live right by it. All right. I'm going to plug this in. I'm going to look at Transamerica first. They're usually the best with vets, to be honest. I'm going to have the system shoot you a text here in a minute so I can pull your meds. You said you have no current life insurance. Let me plug in a little bit more. Do you use a middle initial, bud?
F is in Frank.
Okay. And this is your cell, I assume?
What?
This is your cell phone, I assume?
Yeah.
Okay. You can get text on this?
Yeah.
Perfect. All right. What's your home address? All right. Can you verify your social for me, bud? I'm just going to plug away a couple of your health questions. No, a couple of things I maybe missed to ask, and I'll assume them, but they make me ask. No Alzheimer's, no hospital overnight stays, no organ transplants.
No,
Not currently bedridden or stuck in a wheelchair.
no,
Let's see. You said no to all that stuff already. You said no to diabetes. No strokes or anything.
no,
Cool. No tobacco. Perfect. No DUIs or felonies.
no, not in the last 30 years.
Perfect. As long as not in the last two, I'm good. All right. I'm gonna have the system shoot you a text real quick.
Right.
All right, you're gonna get a text from a 469 number that's directly from Transamerica. There's gonna be a little 6-digit code in there. I just need you to verify for me.
Looking for the code right now. Let's see.
You can take your time. All right, Bill, what I'm going to do now, bud, is I'm going to have the system pull your medical history. It's going to take probably 2 to 3 minutes, and it'll come back whether or not I can verify your ID and then get you an actual underwriting, and then we'll go through some pricing. I'm going to put you on hold for like 1 to 2 minutes.
Okay.
Hold on. I got a identity error. What did I do? All right, it says something must match your ID. Is your legal name? All right, that worked on your ID. I'm going to put you on hold for 1 to 2 minutes. The underwriting part's going to happen. You won't hear any music or anything, but I'll be here, okay? All right, hang tight. Hey, Bill, it said it come back with a couple extra prescriptions. Anything else you can think of maybe that you don't take anymore? I gotta let them know about.
What prescriptions
It,
am I?
it doesn't tell me. It just says they didn't. It just says there's additional. It won't show me everything.
Oh,
Anything you can think of? If not, I got another option, but just curious.
pain
It's all pain meds.
medication.
Were there some narcotic ones at some point?
Yeah.
Got it. Okay, that might be.
But I don't take them anymore.
Yes, sir. That's okay. Let me just switch gears a little bit. Sometimes when that's in the history, I got to kind of make a different move. Hang tight 1 sec. All right, let me plug away with this plan B here. Give me 1 sec. I'm going to just go through some of these, update these health questions on here. Now we got do you get a company? Yes. Hopefully your info. Not bedridden. Not there. No wheelchairs. No to that. No strokes. Not in prison. No Alzheimer's. No dementia. No HIV, no dialysis, no transplants, no to cancer, no diabetic complications, no heart failure, no to suicide, no strokes.
I had heart failure.
You had what?
I had heart failure.
Uh-oh.
Yeah,
Oh, I thought you said no heart issues earlier. When was that?
but I thought it was heart attack.
Oh, got it. When did you have that?
It's been 15 years.
Interesting. Do you take a medication for it? Like one of those?
I used to, but I don't anymore.
When was the last time you took it?
Been over a year.
Got it. Okay. Let's see what the question asks. I think it wants to know, where did that question go? If that's the case, I'm going to try to plug it through here. You may be, I can definitely get you a coverage. I may have to put you on one that, those ones with the waiting period. They want to make sure you're not about to drop dead. So,
Yeah.
so normally what they do is put you in, they'll cover you on, as you know, the accidental side, and then it works like savings for the first 2 years. And as long as you don't drop dead in 2 years, they cover you for full. But I'm going to put you through for one.
That back if needed.
You do, yeah, yeah,
Okay. I don't have that.
yeah. All right, I'm going to try to run it through this other company to see if they'll cover you this way. But if not, I can definitely get you into one of those. So give me a sec. I'm going to try to see if I can get you this one. Worst case, I'll put you in one where you got that, and we'll kind of go from there. So how do you deal with the heart stuff now? It kind of all went away, or you have issues, or what's the just?
My heart recovered the muscle.
No kidding.
So
That's cool.
having problems with it.
They figured your back was messed up enough. He'd let your heart survive, huh?
Back's what? Yeah.
All right, let me see if I can get you this one. If not, I'll throw you in one of the ones that, like the plan you had before, and we'll just get you one that's priced good. All right, I'm gonna send. This is gonna be another one, different company. It's gonna send you a link as well. Let's see. Underwriting engine will start once you hit save and next. All right, see if you got a text now from Corbridge. All right. It should just walk you right through what it wants you to do. I can pull up let me pull up what it says, but it's pretty easy to walk through. Should be instructions right on there. Yeah, what's that message say? I'm not.
Asking my last four, my social.
Yep, throw that in. That'll let you log in. And you just have to agree and click sign a couple times. It's pretty simple.
I can't get one.
What screen are you on? What's it say? I'll pull it up and look at it with you.
Read the terms of the HPAA authorization.
Oh yeah, the HIPAA. Yep.
Yeah, I can't get the
You see?
trying to fill in the box with the check. It won't do it.
Oh, that little yellow box won't check.
It's not yellow, it's white.
You got to hit the blue button where it says view authorization. It makes you view it before to let you check it. You can just hit view and then close it, and that box will open up.
Oh, it's not coming through. I don't know. Wi-Fi bad.
Did you hit the view and it opened up a window?
Oh, I'm sorry.
That's okay. Hit view, it should pop a window up. It's basically saying we don't share your information, as you know.
I'm just going to see where it should.
Are you on the one that says click below to review the HIPAA authorization, yada, yada?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you see that view HIPAA authorization button? You might have to scroll down. It's above the box. It'll say view HIPAA authorization.
I don't see that. I just
Read what's on the screen.
got my name on it.
You might have went ahead.
At birth.
Oh. I don't see it. You must be in it. Can you hit close on that screen?
Yeah.
Yep, hit close. I think you're in the file.
I got it now.
Yep, there you go. That should let you check it now, right?
All right. I can't pay for this until the 4th of December.
That's okay. I can make it come out whenever. That's when you get your Social Security, I assume, disability or whatever.
Yeah.
Yep, no biggie. Right now, I just got to find you a home, and then we'll plug in whatever payment date you need every month. And once you check it, you should be able to hit apply signature, and then it'll tell you you're good.
Okay.
Fresh over here. It'd say thanks for whatever. Signature complete. Did you get that?
Yeah.
Yep. All right, cool. Let me refresh over here. All right, that worked. I got it. That'll let me underwrite one more time. Like I said, I'm gonna try to get you this immediate coverage one. Worst case, I'll get you the other one with the same company. They offer two different products. So, all right, cool. This one's going through underwriting now. Just hang tight. I can get you the guaranteed, what they call the guaranteed issue one with that. All right, let's see. My cases. Yeah. All right, I can get you the one. You are going to have the 2-year wait, bud, but I can get you the coverage for sure. Let me look at the pricing for you, okay? Let's see. Here you go, William. Yeah, I can to be at like $84. I can get you 10 grand with them is $84.
With 20 grand cost.
Well, I want to make sure you stay within budget. I'll tell you, let me, it's going to show me 15 next. Let me show you that, and then I'll show you 20. But I want to make sure this isn't one you're going to end up having to cancel. 15 is 125. And then 20 is 185. Yeah. So I'd say either pick the 80 something to 10 grand. So at least you got something. And what I always tell people, Bill, is two things. If things clear up, once you're a few years outside of the meds, things ease up. Or if your budget changes up, you can always call back and add more. But at the end of the day, some insurance is better than no insurance. And I'd rather you stay in budget so you don't have to cancel again.
And that doesn't add
it won't go up in price on you ever. That will never happen. All they do is they want to make sure you're not literally about to drop dead because of the heart stuff. And they go, just give us 2 years so we're on the same page. Once you hit the 2 years, you have the same policy like you were healthy. So pricing will never go up. Coverage will never go down. It does build cash value. It has all that stuff. Meaning if you become... Say again?
you can get that check cash out if you need it.
If you, yeah, I mean, it's not going to be right away, but down the road, 5 years down the road, 10 years, what I mean, a few years down the road. I mean, remember, you're only paying 80 to $100 a month. So it doesn't build a shit. It's not like you're going to have $5,000 in there next month. You know what I mean? But a couple years down the road, you can always borrow against the cash value and take it out for sure. You just got to build it up, because it works like I said, as a savings account. So once it's built up, for sure, you can do any of that. But you won't be able to borrow money in February. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So tell me, 10 or 15K. You want 80 something bucks or 125? And pick the one you can stick with.
80. Oh. How much is it?
80. Let's see. I gotta refresh. 84.
Okay.
You good with that?
Yeah.
100%?
Yep.
All right, perfect. Let's throw that in. All right, let's see. Save next. Proposed insure. There you go. I got your address. All right, you said, let's see, you want your first one to come out on the 4th? Is that what you said?
If I can get a different date on go a little later.
So when do you get your Social Security? A certain Wednesday, or what do you get? Third Wednesday, or the 3rd of the month?
3rd of the month.
Because they can match it to that, so you don't ever have to move it or get worried. Even when it comes on a weekend, it won't go till the next business day. They know how to match it up like that.
Can we do the 4th?
Yeah, for sure. Yeah. Just to leave that extra day in case it's a weekend. Is that what you mean? Yep. They know how to do that. So let me plug that in. So a day. We'll start you on 12/4. Now, obviously, the policy won't be in effect until that day.
Yeah.
Got you down. And we're going to put your beneficiary is 100%.
If I wanted to add on to it, would it be immediate or would it take another 2-year?
Well, if you do, it depends when you do it, right? So when you want to add in, all you have to do is call into me, and then I'll relook at your prescription history, and we'll figure out which one I can always figure out what option I can get you. Meaning, if you call tomorrow, it's going to still be the 2-year wait. But if it's like next year, you know what I mean? We might have some options. Does that make sense?
Yeah. All right. The routing number is.
All right. Do you want me to deliver your policy by email or in the mail?
Email.
Okay. For those of you that have followed me for a while, you know I've helped build this agency up to over $200 million in paid annual premium per year. We have over 5,000 agents a year that sell, and I am rebuilding. We're building a new base shop, helping people build big agencies, get to multi 7 figures in income, or producers that want to just sell and get to a multi 6 figure sales career. Hit me up. I'm hiring direct. I'm looking to train and mentor winners that want to work their ass off and build something dope. Click on the link below, or you can go to johnwetmore.com/join and put in your application. We'll see if I'd be interested in working with you. DM me, hit me up, whatever you like. Save you there. All right, we're going to do one last signature. It's going to be very similar to last time, okay? All right, just sent to you. You should get a text any second, and it's going to be about the same process as the last time. Let me know when you get on there if you get stuck on anything, okay? And that'll put you in place.
Is there accidental death on the?
There is, yep.
What is it?
It's the same. So it doesn't, if you die from an accident, it pays out.
Pays out?
It pays out the regular amount. Yep.
What, 10,000?
Yep. Yeah. So if you fall off the ladder or something, hanging Christmas lights, you'd be covered. Just doesn't cover the health side. And if
so my other insurance not paid, they offered.
Nope.
Twice as much.
Nope. Yeah, if they found, because what happens, Bill, is, and you probably know this, but the state, every state, Georgia specifically, gives the insurance companies, when you pass away, although you may have immediate coverage somewhere, the insurance companies are protected by the state, and it gives the state, the insurance companies 2 years. If you die within that 2 years, they can pull all of your medical records and verify everything. And if they find anything that was different than the application, they'll deny it.
Do they do that? Or
yes. If you die within the first 2 years, they all do it.
Yep. With everyone?
Yep. Yep.
Okay.
especially, some of those insurance policies, they make you do blood and urine, and they pull everything up front. Those ones, they know what's going on, so they price it really high. In this case, where they just pull it electronically and you just give me the answers over the phone, like the previous ones, if you pass away in the first 2 years, if they find any discrepancy, they'll decline it. So
What about after the 2 years?
after the 2 years, bro, you get away with it. That's why now it's good to have this in place. You get it covered, and then within that 2 year period, if your health cleans up, and I always do a 1 year review with people. So we review your stuff after 12 months, and then try again to see if I can get something even better.
Yeah, but if I went with Global Life, 20 grand,
Yep.
50 grand, if I died within the first, if I died,
In 2 years, yeah, they're gonna check.
they're gonna check.
After 2 years, they don't check. The difference with Globe is, because I can put you in that, but the difference with Globe is, as you know, it goes up at different age brackets, and most of their products after 80 expire. So this one is going to remain level the entire time. Again, I can put you in Globe, but it's not my favorite product. I put way more people in this product than Globe. You know what I mean? So they're going to get their money one way or the other. You know that, Bill. And they all work off the same expected time of age of death, etc. Yeah, I can put you in it, but you won't be happy if you live too long. And I don't want that to happen to you.
All right. Okay.
All set. All right, let me pull it up. Make sure we got it over here. Let's see, save. All right, I got it. This will give you a policy number here in just a second. I'm going to, you get if I just text you a picture of this?
Okay, yeah.
And my system will shoot you out an email a little bit later as well with details from me. You'll get an email and a text with details saying you're approved and here's your policy number, but I'm going to send you a very informal text right now, just so you have it. You'll get a text. You should have a text message right now from this number I'm calling you on. Let me know if that went through. It says delivered right now.
I got it.
All right, cool. That's your policy number. You know how to save me as a contact?
Actually, what's your name, John?
Yep, John. I'll type my last name in here as well. Wetmore, Wetmore. And I help people with not only these final expense, veteran life insurance. I do a lot of retirement planning, protecting people's IRAs, 401ks, things like that. So if you ever need anything like that, or any of your buddies need anything, feel free to give me a shout. I'm pretty easy to work with and have a shitload of insurance companies I can help folks with. So if you need anything along the way, man, just give me a holler.
Thank you.
Yeah, if anything comes up, you just hit me up, call me, or if you don't catch me, if you call, either leave me a voicemail or shoot me a text, because I'm on the phone all day long.
Yeah.
If you just call and don't leave a message, I may not see it. But if you leave a message or send me a text, I'll always call you back within 24 hours. Okay, Bill?
Okay, sounds good.
All right, my man. You feel better now?
Yep.
All right, homie. Hope you have a great rest of your week. And if you need anything, just call me, okay?
All right, thank you.
All right, buddy. Have a good one. Closing deals Friday morning. Now I'm late. Let's see. Who the fuck do I got next?
You have reached.
Hello?
Hey, Ernest.
Yes, sir.
How you doing, buddy? This is John over at the insurance. How you doing, man?
How you doing? Okay, you?
Couldn't be any better, buddy. A little stuffed from yesterday. Otherwise, I'm doing great.
Yes, okay, that's good. That's good.
All right. Got your info here. Looks like you were trying to get you some insurance, huh?
What kind of insurance?
Some final expense burial insurance. You remember applying?
Oh no.
That's the one we've been texting about. You applied online. We've been texting. You remember?
Okay, what it? Very quick. Hey, excuse me, hold on. Yeah. You don't say if I'm on this phone. Say something.
Is that an animal or a kid?
My grandson.
Got you. Sometimes they're like animals too.
Yeah. Oh yes.
He's 4?
Okay, refresh my memory a little bit.
Nah, that's all right. Let's see. Were you a vet or no? You a veteran? You're not a veteran? I didn't know if you were. I was gonna mention something.
No.
So these are plans for final expense burial insurance. If you drop dead, Ernest, you got any coverage in place for the funeral and stuff?
Yeah, that New York Life.
Uh-oh, okay. New York Life. How long you had that sucker?
Oh shit, about 15 years.
Okay. How much
Oh,
coverage?
no, you know what? No, longer than that because I've been retired 9 years.
Okay.
I'm traveling 20 years. Yeah,
Okay. Cool. How much coverage you got with them?
I only have a 25,000.
Okay. What's that run you? You must
I'm
have.
paying 50. What is it? I added on. The first was only 15,000. I added on another 10. So I'm paying two policies. One is 26. The other one is 35. I'm paying about $55, $54 a month.
Oh shit. Okay. Now, do you know how that policy does? Do you know when that thing expires or goes up in price on you?
No, it's a whole life, so I don't. I ain't never went up. Nothing. Did the same since I had it.
Okay. How old are you?
I'm 76.
76. Okay. They have different. Is it through Globe or Globe Life, New York Life? Is it that one? Globe?
No, just New York
It's New
Life.
York Direct. Got it.
Yeah.
They got a couple different products out there. Okay. Some of their products change at age 80. Is yours like that?
My wife passed a few months ago, and they paid me straight out, so it wasn't a
Perfect.
problem.
Okay. Good.
Yeah.
Okay. Are you satisfied with your coverage amount or were you looking for more?
I can always use more, but paying for it is the big issue.
Hell
I'm
yeah.
on a budget. I'm retired on a budget.
Yes, sir.
And,
So tell me again, you got 15K you've had forever. What's that one run you again?
both of them together is
Nah, separate.
50.
Separate. What's
One is 20. Let me see.
one you said is 15K?
No. When I first got the first step in New York Life,
Yeah.
it was 15,000.
Yeah.
Then I put up 10 more thousand. So the first one is 3526.
Okay. And the second one?
And the other one, oh no. Go back. I am sorry. Wait
That's
a minute.
okay.
No,
Yeah.
I'm paying more. No, I've got it all mixed up. I'm paying $87. What am I talking about? The one is $53 and the other one is $35. So add that together.
So you're at 88.
Yeah.
All right. When did you add the 10?
Oh, shoot, that's been over 10 years ago.
So you've had these a while. Okay. Let's see.
A long time. Yes, I've been with New York Life for a long time.
Cool. How old are you, buddy?
76.
76. You just told me that. I got a memory like a 90-year-old.
It's all right.
Yeah, I mean, you got.
That's all I got left.
I mean, you got some good pricing. I mean, you're priced in at like, hold on, let me see what you were 65, what this thing will cost. $35. All right. And that New York Life one stayed the same price the whole time, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm paying for 5 policies, though.
5?
I'm paying for my daughter. I'm paying 4. It was 5 with my wife. They paid it off, so I'm just paying for 4 now. It's my daughter and my son, and 2 for me.
Okay. They with New York Life too?
$134 a month, $134 a month.
Combined?
Yeah, combined.
Okay. Cool. And you've had those?
I'm paying with American Income Life for grandkids and my kids. I'm paying close to $100 a month for that. But 1, 2, 3, 4 of them is $100.
For 4 of your kids or grandkids?
2 grandkids and 2 kids.
Got it.
Oh, no, 3 grandkids. I had 5. 3 grandkids and 2 kids. Yes, and it's about $100.
Okay. Are they all under 18 or are they all grown?
3 grown and 2 under 18. 2 under 10. 2 under 10 and the other 3 are grown.
Got it. And are those all separate policies?
Yes.
Got it. Okay, so you got a bunch of small payments. $10 here, $15 there, whatever it is. Yeah.
Correct.
Got it.
17 is the most, I think. 17 is the highest.
Yeah. Yeah. If you've had those for a long time, I wouldn't suggest we mess with those things. Sometimes.
No, I'm not gonna mess with those because it's 25,000. Then I got another one with a State Farm life insurance for one of my granddaughters. That's $21 a month.
Got it. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Cool.
Yeah.
So you're satisfied with the amount of coverage on you, and you're paying cheap. I definitely can't beat your price today because you got it when you were 50s. Okay.
Right.
Okay.
I gotta be, yeah. Well, okay.
You got anybody else in your world that needs some insurance that I can help with, or what do you think?
Kids need it. I don't know what. I got so many children. I got 23 children.
Shut the front door, bro.
No, you said shut the fuck up.
I certainly did. 20, you
Yeah.
have 23 children.
13 girls and 10 boys. Stuff like this. So
Can I ask you a question?
My nickname is Punchy, and my email is punchy23kids@gmail.com.
What does punchy mean?
I like to fight.
I love it.
I debate, and they kept me with that name. You're punchy. You punch. You just like to punch.
23 babies. How is it? There's no way it's one woman, right?
Oh no, I've been married 5 times. I've been married 3 wives. That's just
Oh shit, no
I've
way.
been and this for 11 different mothers now.
That's what I was gonna ask. So baby mama drama has been real in your life.
No, ain't no drama because I take care of my kids. If we didn't make it, then my kids are still in my life. They still in my life right
Hell
now.
yeah. Good for you.
Except for 2. My baby's 27. My oldest is 59.
Good for you, buddy.
My youngest just came by here yesterday.
What'd you do for a living?
I worked for the city of Cleveland for 32 years.
No shit.
Waste collection supervisor.
Love it, dude. So I bet Thanksgiving family photos are crazy.
It used to be. Right now, they all got their own homes.
Yeah.
We snow in, so everybody stayed home yesterday.
Yeah.
We snow.
Where do you live?
Right.
Where are you?
Cleveland, Ohio.
Oh, okay. Got it. Nice. My oldest daughter, I got 5 kids and everybody thinks I'm crazy. So now I'm gonna reference you forever. I just got like a little warm up.
Yeah.
But my oldest went to Ohio State. So I'm familiar. I've been up to Ohio. I've never been to where you're at, but Columbus. I've been up there a few times.
Yeah, well, that's the game tomorrow, baby. The game tomorrow. Ohio State in Michigan. I'll be sitting right here.
Yeah, buddy. Okay.
But I
You got all your retirement stuff taken care of? Because we handle a lot of that for folks like IRAs, 401ks. You got all that taken care of or protected? No. Okay.
I did make a mistake and borrow off of my policy, though.
Got it.
So my premium is kind of down right now because I never paid it back.
Oh, got it.
Yeah.
On which one? On your personal policies?
My 25,000 ain't 25,000. It's about 17.
Got it. Okay. I mean, still not terrible pricing though. Yeah, I don't see any benefit in replacing those, buddy. I wouldn't mess with that. If you ever look, I mean, you can't, but your pricing would be significantly more today. Hold on, I'll give you a ballpark you're 76. I mean, if you started over today, you smoke or no?
I quit January 20.
Okay.
January 21, 2002, I quit.
Got it. Oh, okay, cool. Yeah, I mean,
oh, never drank nothing but
good for you.
Kool-Aid pop.
Yeah. What's your favorite color Kool-Aid?
Cherry.
Cherry, my man. I like the purple one.
Okay.
Let's see. Yeah, I mean, if you went, just to give you a rough, so you understand, because I know some people try to cancel stuff. Like you got $50 for 10, 15K, whatever it is. At your current age, you're definitely gonna push close to about $100 for somewhere in the ballpark of 10,000 if you wanted to add something. Just because, I mean, you're 76 now. You know.
Right. But I beat cancer. Prostate cancer in 19. I beat COVID in 20. I had triple bypass this year, January.
You are punchy.
Yeah.
I love it. Yeah, don't cancel those, dude, because you got heart issues and stuff. Anything I got you now would have waiting periods and all kinds of stuff. So just keep what you got, buddy. Yeah, don't mess with those policies. You got tons of them. Now, again, if you got all these kids and grandkids, and you ever decide you want to make sure someone else covered, I can certainly help you.
Okay.
If you kind of want to organize that, you tell.
I got the number in my phone.
Okay. You got some of these little ones that don't have coverage?
Yeah, I know my kids. Some of my son, I got a son.
Mm-hmm.
Now, my youngest son, I'm paying for his, and my youngest daughter, I'm paying for his now with Do Your Right and American Income Life. They got 50,000 apiece, and I'm paying for both of them.
Got it. Okay.
I know my kids got grown grandkids, got grown kids, so I got grown grandkids.
Yeah.
I know they don't.
Yeah.
I know they don't.
Okay.
I'm not for sure, but I'm just about positive. If they don't have insurance, then I'm worried about that. I lost a son. He was murdered.
Oh shit.
And 28 years ago, no insurance. We had to pay out of pocket. We had to save up. It was so hard to bury my grandson. I mean, my son. It was so hard to bury him, man.
That sucks. I'm sorry to hear that.
I lost a 3-year-old granddaughter. She had no insurance. We had to scrape up. She wasn't even 3 years old. She died.
Damn.
We had to scrape for her. And I tell my kids, insurance means a lot. I don't give a shit about car insurance.
Yeah.
Get life insurance. You can't afford both of them. Choose life insurance so the family won't have to suffer.
Yes,
sir. You go. And I preach to them. I do, man. I don't know if they listen to me now. Yeah,
I'm gonna use you as a commercial for people and let them know how important it is. What's
My wife passed. My wife passed. COVID, man. COVID. Would you believe it? COVID. It's my wife. Yeah. And it's 4 years. It's just been 4 years last week. 4 years. And if I had had New York life taken out right away, they paid for it. And that was such a relief. I buried my wife, man. I didn't have that problem.
Good for you.
You know, so insurance is important. It's important.
Yeah. Makes sense. I agree.
It makes a lot of sense. That's what the world now, these kids are crazy. You need insurance, man.
Yeah, buddy.
And if I don't pay my rent, I'm paying my insurance policy. They paid up, I bet you. It's a struggle, but I do not. If I have to cut something, I won't cut my life insurance. Damn that car, damn that any other rentals. I'll cut all that before I cut my life insurance. I'll do that.
Good man. Taking care of your family. I love it, dude.
Yeah.
What's the best way to kind of figure out who needs coverage in your world? How do we do that?
I have to talk to them. I have to talk to them and get back with you to find out and give them your number as best I can do, because I don't know what they got.
Yeah.
Or who don't have it. You know, this happened before with American Life. They asked for my kids, and I gave it to them. I don't know whatever happened, if they end up getting insurance with them or what.
Okay.
But I gave it to it. The only thing I could do is gather them up and talk to them.
Yeah. You want to so I can shoot you a text right here. Do you want me? What if I do this? What if I'm going to shoot you a text with my direct number? Hold on. You're at 3501. Let me text you real quick. Tell me your cell number. I'm not looking at it on the screen.
My phone number 2.
All right. I'm going to text you, John Wetmore, life insurance guy. If you want to, I just sent you a text from my cell phone. Let me know if that came through. All right. If you'll save that, and why don't you see whether you want to get me a list of name and numbers? If you want to put them in a text, what I can do is I can between me and my assistant, we can reach out, let them know that, you know, you passed their information along. And yeah, we'll call them, and then I can keep you posted on who got it and who didn't.
Oh, they just to help with the price, man.
Yeah.
The cost, we can't do it. We have to throw you in the trash can and throw you back on the garbage trucks.
Yeah.
You know, because we can't bury you. You know, we had what you call it, my brother, he had insurance, but he wanted to be cremated. I don't want to be cremated. No. So,
good man. Yeah, if you you want to put together a list for me?
Yeah, give me a days. I have to talk, you know.
Sure. Yeah. I mean, take your time.
Let me see if I get you something by Monday.
Yeah.
The cup.
Yeah, you do that. You let me know. And then what I'll do is I'll keep you posted on who has insurance and who doesn't. That way you know who to stress over or who you got to fight.
Right, but me.
Yeah. 100%.
They my kids, but I can't. If I have one, I can pay for it all, you know, but not 23. Hell no.
Yeah, no, I agree, Ernest. That's crazy. I don't mind helping you organize it all. I do that a lot. And that way, you know, just so you know, some of these other companies, they're great companies. They only represent themselves, though, of course. So where I can help is I'm a broker, meaning I can write insurance for about 30 different companies. So depending.
Okay, so you can check around and find out which best for which who.
Correct. Yeah.
Okay.
That way you don't have to have like 20 different companies covering everybody. You know what I mean? It can we can kind of figure it out who's best, and then I can put together a whole list for you who's covered where.
And maybe the ones that do have insurance, maybe their kids don't have it. So
correct.
Maybe I can get you some. Okay, I see what I can do, John. Thank you.
All right, my man. You let me know. Hope you have a great rest of your weekend, and I'll follow up with you Monday. Okay, buddy?
Okay, yeah, good. Thank you.
All right, my man. Have a great day.
Bye.
See you. Interesting. Let's see. Let's put a note here on this guy. Holy shit balls. All right, we're a little behind.
You have reached.
Oh, this is Dave. Just leave a message. Thank you.
Hey, Dave. Sorry we keep playing phone tag, buddy. I got on with a client and had to help him out with some insurance. Ran over a little bit. Give me a shout back when you can. Got your message, of course. Looking to get you on the phone so I can help you out with your coverage. Follow back when you can. Let's see. Did any man voicemail?
The disc in her neck was pushing against her spinal cord.
Oh, no way.
Yeah, so they said, doctor, he said, I don't want to do this to you. I have no choice. Within 6 months, you can be paralyzed.
Yeah.
And I said, well, I don't want that. He told me it's a very risky surgery, but she wants to have it. And I said, well, she wants it. She's going to get it then.
And did she not make it through the surgery?
Yeah, she made it for the surgery. She had the surgery on December 28th.
Okay.
And 3 days later, the hospital, well, the day after the surgery, my son and I were up there, and she was having a very hard time breathing. She was gurgling a lot. And I had a nurse sitting next to her, and I said, man, can't you do anything? He said, what do you want me to do? I said, I don't know, but you need to do something.
Yeah. Save her.
If you can't do anything, get someone else.
Yeah.
He said, all I can do is call a respiratory therapist as Blue Hogan did. And she's did a suction to her into her throat.
Okay.
She got quite a bit of fluid out of her.
Oh, got it. Got it.
So when the third service came down, he got some more out.
Got it.
And he says, this is not uncommon for this type of surgery.
Yeah.
Especially at her age.
Sure.
But I'm going to instruct the nurse who's standing right there, and that every hour she's going to have to regurgitate.
Man.
So at 8:30, the nurse says, it's after 8 o'clock. You're going to have to leave. I says, not until you regurgitate her one more time.
Yeah.
So she went ahead and did that. And then told us to leave.
Okay.
So we left, and at 2 o'clock in the morning, they called, the hospital called me and said, your wife, we found your wife unconscious.
Man.
And I said, do what? He says, she was blue when we found her.
Oh, shit.
Yeah. And they said she had a heart failure, congestive heart failure.
Oh, got it. All the fluid and stuff.
And he says, can we do CPR on her? I says, well, hell yeah, you haven't done it yet, so we can't do it without your permission. I said, we'll do it.
Yeah.
So they did. They brought her back out of it. But she had been unconscious for 29 minutes.
Got it. Got it. Yeah, it's too late by then.
Yeah. They put her in intensive care, and then 3 days later, they told us there's nothing we can do anymore for her.
Gotcha.
We recommend you put her in hospice. So that was on a Saturday morning. She went to hospice, and she passed away on Tuesday.
Gotcha. Man, that is rough. How long were y'all married?
It was 25 years.
Okay. Congrats, man. But tough time. I'm sorry to hear that, brother.
Yeah, it was very rough.
Condolences, my man. That is
Thank you,
hard.
sir.
What I'm gonna do, Arthur, is I'm gonna plug away some of your information in here. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make this kind of easy on you. I'm actually gonna have the system. I'm gonna plug in your social and pull all your medical history, so I can just have the computer look around and see who I can get you approved for. Because I feel like I can improve your situation. but I need to see your medications. And instead of asking you to read me all the meds, I'll just pull it so it'll save you some time, okay?
Sure.
Yeah, let me pull up. Do you have a middle initial, Arthur?
Yes.
What is it? What's your W? Okay. And Arthur is AR. Okay. Do you use that on your ID?
Yes, I do.
All right. Your phone number, this is your cell?
Yes, it is.
All right.
Send the phone I have. Ready for my social?
Not yet. Give me 1 sec. I'll get it in just a minute. I got to it had you in Florida, so I got to retype some stuff over here. Yeah. All right. Go ahead with that social, Arthur. All right. I'm gonna plug in 2 different options here at the same time and see which one will get you the best deal. All right. Let me plug in these health questions you already answered for me. You said no to all those questions. No Alzheimer's or dementia, correct? No.
I was classified as a little dementia.
Did they give you a pill for it?
No.
Okay. When clarify, give me a little more detail on that. What'd they tell you?
Was in a rehab center.
When?
79 was the first time.
Okay. When was the most recent time?
In March
of this year.
Yes.
Okay. Did they give you medication while you were there?
For dementia, no.
Okay.
Just for my high blood pressure.
Okay. So is it official dementia if you don't take meds, or what's the official diagnosis? So they're not sure yet?
You're not sure?
Okay. All right. I'm gonna try a couple different options here because it's kind of gonna vary a little bit. Let me see. We'll work with you. We'll figure something out over here, buddy.
Well, I had 2 strokes in 2014.
Okay.
And they think that's where it came from.
Got it. Let's see, you said no here, no there, no there. You can get a text message on your phone, right?
Yes.
No strokes in the last 12 months, though?
No.
No. And not, let's see, you said no. Man.
I did have extremely high blood pressure.
Yeah, how bad is it? How high?
242 over 192.
No shit.
Yeah.
Dang, why? Do you know?
My wife passed away.
Oh, just the stress of daily life does it. Makes sense.
Yeah.
Shit. Yeah, I wouldn't really survive very well without that either. I get you.
Yeah, I didn't want to go to the doctor, the hospital.
I bet. Yeah, I bet. Nobody does.
My son called the family. I called him and told him that I had a bad headache and I didn't like the way I felt. And my head was throbbing like crazy. And he says, all right, I'm coming down. Because he was up here in Vero and I was in Port St. Louis for that.
Got it.
And by the time he got to the house, the ambulance was already there.
No way.
He says, you're going to the hospital. I said, no, I'm not. He goes, do you understand your blood pressure is? He says, 242 over 192. That's not over 200. He says, it most certainly is. Look. And he says, I'm going to take it again right now. And he took it again, and it went to 147 over 192. Or 247.
Yeah, that's wild.
And
do you check it daily now or no?
pardon?
Do you check it daily now or do you just
Twice a day.
Do you?
Yeah, a day sometimes.
It was high today still?
A little bit on the high side. It's in 140s.
Okay. Yeah, that's not bad relative.
No, a lot of people have 140s.
Yeah. I have 140 some days. What up, y'all? So YouTube memberships, we have one now. Right next to the subscribe button, there's a neon white join button. You can't miss it. Subscribe, whatever it says. Click the link, get in there. I do a ton of coaching, teaching people how to dial, corrections, working on their presentations, working on their mindset. I will coach on theory, but I like coaching real world stuff. And if you join the membership section, you're gonna see live coaching where I'm not only helping people, but every once in a while I get in there and dial myself. There's some cool videos coming out, tons of content.
All of the training videos will be directly on my YouTube channel. That's available to members only. Super easy to find.
So join now if you're interested. Click below. See you in there. All right, you can get a text message, right, Arthur?
Yes, I can.
All right, I'm gonna send you. All right, I just sent you. See if you have a text from a 469 number right now.
Read this all.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, I do.
All right, you should see
Thank you for applying for Transamerica Cafe Express Solution.
Yep, there's gonna be a code in there, 6-digit code. If you read through it, you'll see.
What?
If you read through it, there's gonna be a PIN code towards the end. Let me know what that code is. They put a code in there. I need. It's a 6-digit code. Got it. All right. I'm gonna send you another one in just a minute because I'm looking at 2 different places at the same time. See which one will give you the best deal, okay?
Yeah.
Let's see. Over here. All right. It's verifying your ID and gonna pull your stuff here now. See what I can get you approved for. All right, let's go back to this. So I have an option so you're paying right now. If we take that Gerber policy for 12 grand and that other one that is unknown right now, you said 10 grand, you're paying like almost 800 bucks a month for 22 grand, right?
Yeah.
Okay. I got an option here that just come up. 25,000 and it's only 563. And you said those Gerber's recent, right? You got the Gerber and the other one pretty recently?
Transamerica is the other one.
Yeah, Transamerica you've had for a while though.
No, two. I got two. One's
Oh. Oh.
The other one is Transamerica Express.
Oh, no way. Okay. When did you get that other Transamerica?
I think it was this year.
Interesting. Okay. Was it before you were in the hospital or after?
In between.
No shit. Okay. You might have got lucky on that one. Because once they know you're in the hospital, that's not their favorite thing. Okay. So you got 10K there. So the one we're dealing with is Gerber. That's recent. That one's 12K for 429, right?
Yes.
Holy moly. Let's see. Do you know Gerber has a waiting period? Do you know anything about the waiting periods on those? Are you familiar?
2 years on the Transamerican.
Yep, Gerber too, right?
Uh,
But I have the Gerber product. Gerber, I'm sure, has the 2 year. Trans has the 2 year. So here's what we got, Arthur. Because you're paying 800 bucks a month for 22 grand, right?
yeah.
Wouldn't it make more sense to have one policy for 300 bucks, 250 bucks less a month?
Yes.
Okay, because I can help you convert those into one policy. 25,000 will only run 563 instead of you're at 758. So it'd be 200 bucks less a month. Would that make sense to you to do that?
Yeah.
Okay, because I can help you with that original Transamerica policy, that one for 100 grand. That we don't touch. That you keep in place. You're never going to get better than that because you've had that for so long. So I wouldn't mess with that. All right, let me do this. When do the payments come out for Gerber and Trans? Do you know?
No, I don't.
Okay. Let's see. You have the policies there?
Not with me. My son would have them somewhere.
Okay. No worries. We can figure that out. I can set up a call with you to get that out. All right. On this one, 25,000, it would be with Corebridge. It's only 563.91 a month. I assume you'd want that one to go into effect immediately?
Yes.
Okay. Let me put that in for you. And then what we're going to do, I'm actually going to get on the phone with you and let those other ones know to not bill you anymore. That way you're not overpaying. Unless you just want a shit ton more insurance, I can add some somewhere else after. But I'm going to start with fixing these two. And then if you decide you want more, we'll look at more, okay?
Okay.
All right. Do you prefer these things come out of a checking or savings?
Check them.
All right. Let's see. Who do you bank with?
Wells Fargo.
Wells Fargo. Did you open that in Georgia or Florida?
Open a new one in Florida.
Okay. Look up their routing number. Can you confirm the routing number on that one? They have 2 different ones in Florida.
Yeah,
That sounds correct.
Okay. All right. And can you verify your account number that you want it to come out of?
Yep, it's
3. All right. What I'm going to do is send you do you want your policy delivered by email or by paper in the mail?
email.
All right. All right. What it's going to do now is I'm going to have the system. This one will be through Corebridge Financial. I'm going to have the system send you a text here in a minute for you to sign on your phone. I assume that won't be an issue. Not present. Text. You read the following. Yes, we'll get a text. Yes, I can receive a text. All right. I just sent you a text message. Let me know when you get it, and I'll walk you through the process to sign this thing. This is just going to be you approving everything. Let me know when that comes through. It's going to be from let's see. You'll see the text from Corebridge. Let me know when that comes through. You see the text there, Arthur?
Not yet.
No, it didn't come through yet. Do you have an iPhone or Android? What kind of phone you got?
I got an iPhone.
You do. Okay. I can resend it if it didn't come through. Let me see. Let me make sure I got the right name. It went.
Yeah.
And no text messages yet. Right, hold on. Let me see if I can hit resend on this. 1 second. All right, see if one came through right now. It said it just resent to you.
Oh, here's another one. Application to review.
Yep. Click on that. I wonder why it's not going through. All right, hold on. Let me hit resend one last time. If not, I'm going to send this to your email. You can get into your email, right?
I can what?
If I need you to get into your email, is that possible?
I think so. Just a minute.
No, hold on. I don't want you to go yet. I sent it to your text, but if I need to, I will.
Okay.
See if so a new text number didn't come through still?
Nope.
All right, hold on. Let me get to your email. Let me do it that way. Look in your email, Arthur. You're looking at your text messages.
I got one from you that came in at 12:39.
Yep. All right. What does that one say?
Action required, complete your life insurance application with Cambridge
Yes.
Life Insurance.
Yep, that's the one we need.
That's the text.
Oh, it is. Okay. We're getting somewhere now. All right. So when you click that text, it opens a new window?
Yes, it did.
All right. What does it say on your screen right now? Okay. Yep. You're in the right spot. All right. Right below that, you should see a welcome. Do you see that?
What's the phone number you sent it from?
You were in the right spot where it said the click wrap to. That's the right spot. That one that says Corebridge Financial. That's where you want to be. I think I got it. Hold on. Let me look over here. I think you did it, buddy. Hold on. All right. You did it, Arthur. It came through. I don't know what you did, but you did something right. All right, hold on 1 sec for me, buddy, okay? I'm about to finish up over here for you. All right, that worked. I got y'all squared away. That went through. You're approved here, Arthur. Now, I'm gonna send you a screenshot here with your policy number. This is gonna come from me personally. All right, I just sent you a text from my cell phone. Did you get it?
From 6, yeah.
Yep. All right. Your new policy number is in there. Okay. It's that 625 number. Do you see the picture of my ugly face?
Yeah.
All right. That's me. Do you know how to save a
Peaceful. Peaceful.
Yes. Yep. That's me. Do you know how to save my number? Do you know how to save them? Do you know how to save a contact or no? If not, I'll have you write down my number if you got a pen. You want me to show you how to save it, or do you want to just write it down?
Just let me write it down.
Okay. And then we got to let these other companies know that you don't need those policies anymore. Do you want to do that now, or do you want to do that later? What do you prefer?
I guess I can do it now because my son just texted me too. He said he won't be back home till 2:30.
Okay. All right. Hang on 1 second. Let me get Gerber on the line first. Okay. Hang tight. I'm going to call them. I'm going to get them on the other line, and then we'll let them know we don't need that other policy. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Hang on 1 sec. Hey, Arthur.
Yes, sir.
Hey, they're closed for the holiday today. I did not know that. So here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna put you on my calendar for Monday. Are you around the house Monday?
Yeah, I'm here Monday.
Okay. I'm gonna put you down. Do you like mornings or afternoons? What's better?
Mornings are good.
Mornings are good. All right, let me pull up my calendar for Monday. Let's see. Monday. How about 10 a.m. Monday?
10 a.m.
Does
Okay.
that work for you? All right, I'm gonna put you down at 10 a.m. Monday, and you and I will call in to Gerber and Trans and let them know that you don't need to overpay for those policies anymore because we got you one with some cheaper coverage, okay? So this one is $25,000 instead of 22, so $3,000 more in coverage, and it's let's see, I'm gonna tell you exactly how much less per month. That is gonna knock out 429 plus 329 is 758 minus 563.91. So I got you $3,000 more insurance and saved you $194 a month, okay?
Okay, what's the premium total for this one?
This one's 563.91. 563.91.
63.91.
Yep, for 25K.
Okay.
And the other ones added up to 758. So we're going to get rid of those two and keep you on this lower one. And then
All right.
Monday morning at 10 a.m., I'll call you and we'll call Gerber and Trans and let them know not to charge you again, okay?
All right, John.
All right. Any questions at all for me now, Arthur?
No, sir, nothing at all.
All right. Do you feel good about the coverage we got you?
Yes, I do.
All right. Well, I got it down. I got James as your beneficiary. I got your new policy number, and I will give you a call Monday morning. We'll get the other ones taken care of, okay?
All right.
All right,
Appreciate it.
my friend. I hope you have a blessed day, okay?
Thank you. You too now.
All right, my man. See you.
Bye.
Bye. Holy guacamole. What a fucking shit show that was. He was paying, as another replacement, he had 20, he had two policies for 22 grand. He was paying 760 a month.
I got you.
So I got him 25K for 560. So I saved him $200 and got him $3 grand more insurance.
Hey.
What's funny is I was just telling people last night about Craig's, and I'm like, yo, I ain't never sold a policy for as much as Craig sold one the other day, that 500 something. I said, I've never sold a policy for $500 a month in my whole career.
You just sold one for $7,000.
Yeah, sure shit. Fucking next morning it happens.
That's crazy.
Yep. Dude, I had a guy last night when I sold the one yesterday on Thanksgiving. It's on my Facebook. He texted me. He goes, "What kind of leads are you running on Facebook on Thanksgiving?" I'm like, "The same leads I run when it's not Thanksgiving, bro."
Thanksgiving lead for running, man. That's special Thanksgiving.
Yeah, I got magic Thanksgiving leads. You fucking people. Jesus Christ. So keep plugging away. I'm fucking behind as shit. I'm all out of order today. I ain't calling anybody on time. Just is what it is. But I got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got 6 more fucking people to call today I haven't called my 12:30 yet. I'm about to call him in a minute. I'm calling my 10 o'clock right now that I didn't get a hold of earlier.
Oh,
Dean?
yes. How you doing, Don?
I'm doing amazing. Thank you. How about you?
I'm doing well.
Good.
Trying to get on to Thanksgiving. I ate too much.
I feel that. I feel that. It takes a little, it's a little slower rolling out of bed today, ain't it?
Yes, it is.
I love it. Well, I was giving you a call about this insurance you applied for. I'm actually one of the underwriters over here to help you figure out what we can get you. I guess tell me a little bit about what you got going on. Do you have any insurance now or none at all, or what's your situation?
No, I don't.
Uh-oh.
Yeah.
Why not?
This is, I just kept putting it off.
Okay. Makes sense. Did something trigger you not putting it off anymore? Seeing family or someone get sick or what happened?
Got old.
You're about to get older soon, I see too, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, it happens. How old does that make you? I can't do that math with the round number. How old are you?
76 now. He's 77 January 1st.
No insurance at all. Have you ever had life insurance and let it go, or have you just been living dangerously?
dangerously.
Okay, you're a rebel, huh?
Well,
Uh,
I've been in my life.
I bet you got some stories.
Oh yeah, but I can't tell them.
I bet I'd get some before the end of the call. I gotta warm you up a little.
uh,
All right. So let me ask you this: any major health issues preventing you from getting insurance before, or what do you got going on health wise?
no, not before.
Okay. How's your health today? What do you got?
Well, I got COPD.
Okay.
I have lung cancer.
You have cancer right now?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
They just it's early. They just found it.
When? When did they find it?
Let's see, what is this? November?
Yes, ma'am. Roughly. Was it like this year? Just recently, in the last couple months?
Probably 3 or 4 months.
Okay. You still smoking?
I can't remember exactly.
You still smoking, or did you give it up?
I'm afraid I'm still smoking.
Okay. You on oxygen too?
When needed.
Okay, got it. All right. Got it. All right. What's the prognosis? Are they treating you for the cancer, or what are they doing?
Had 5 radiation treatments.
Holy okay. Did it
Everything seems to be okay now.
only 5 got it done, huh? Okay. Well shit, that's good news. Congrats, I guess, huh? That's tough. My wife had to do radiation, but I think she had like 10 or 12, 10 treatments or something like that a while back. Yeah, she's good now too, but all right. So we got no insurance now. So if you pass away, who's in charge? Who's got to deal with the chaos and pay for it and all that stuff if you pass away today?
Sister left.
Okay. Everybody else passed away?
Sorry, what?
Others passed away?
Yeah.
Okay. You got children alive or no?
No.
Okay.
No children.
Okay. Did you ever have children?
No.
Okay, got it. All right. Brother and sister. Who would be the main? Do you have one as the beneficiary, or would you split it up between your brother and your sister?
Split it up.
Okay. Tell me your brother's name. All right, let's see. Are you working, retired, or disabled? You on disability or no? Retired. Okay.
Couldn't work if I wanted to. Can't stand up that long.
Got it. Okay. All right. Cool. Well, I can look at some options for insurance for you. Do you know how insurance works when you got some cancer and stuff going on?
Probably ain't gonna get much.
Well, we can get you some insurance. The way it works, Miss Audine, is they want to make sure you're not about to die like next week, right? So
No, nothing like that.
yeah, so you'll be fine there. What happens is we can get you a policy in place. We'll look at some pricing here in a second. I'll pull up some options for you. Are you trying to be buried or cremated? What's the plan? Or do you care?
Decided really, but I'm leaning more toward cremation.
Okay. Right. Have you mentioned some others have passed? Have you had to deal with any funerals or burying anybody recently?
Well, between all 3 of us, 3 sisters passed.
Okay.
And so they had family to tend to it. So
Okay. So you didn't have to pay for any of these yourself. Okay.
no.
Are you familiar with the costs? I assume you kind of know roughly what funerals cost and cremations, or do you want me to go over that with you?
Funerals probably around 10,000, isn't it?
Yeah.
Cremation around 6 or 7.
Yep, it's about I hear 3 to 5 for cremation, and I hear 10 to 15 for funerals. Is pretty common. Most people tell me. Now, what I'll do, Miss Audine, I'll look at a couple different options for you to see. What I do is I kind of shop it around for you, so I can see who gives you the best deal based on your age and your health. So I'll pull up a couple options for you. Since it doesn't sound like you need a ton of options or a ton of insurance, do you get Social Security? Is that how you get paid now?
Yes.
Okay, cool. What day of the month do you get that on? Is it a certain Wednesday, or you get it on like the 3rd? The 1st? First of the month. Okay. SSI first each month. Okay. All right.
Sounds like you got sniffles too.
I do. Yeah, I got my, I don't know, my assistant's a little bit sick and I think she messed up and sent me a little something.
She could have kept that, couldn't she?
She could, I wish she did keep it. It'd have been a lot better. Made my weekend a little nicer.
Yeah.
All right, let's see. You're 76 now. You're in Louisiana, right?
Yes.
Okay. Let's see if I want to go guaranteed. All right. Let's tell me a little bit about, everybody's a little bit different when it comes to insurance and budget and stuff like that. I want to make sure we're very budget conscious. Obviously, when it comes to a funeral, are you,
Living Social Security.
you're pretty fixed income, pretty tight, yeah?
Yes.
Okay.
Very tight.
All right. Have you thought about, some people when it comes to insurance, I literally just hung up with a guy who is, and I'm not saying you should do this, I'm just telling you what's out there. He was 77. He wanted a bunch of insurance. He just paid $500 something a month. The person before him was like, I can pay like 80 a month. And as some people say, I don't know, 150, 200. Everybody's a little bit different. Do you have like a number in mind that you need to stay within to make it comfortable for you?
But it won't be any of those now.
That's fair. Everybody's unique. So you need to be under $100 a month for sure, right?
Absolutely.
Okay, got it. Let's see. You may be going. Are you open to cremation?
Yeah, that's what I was more leaning to.
Yeah, I mean the reality is, can I just be honest with you? Are you good if I just shoot it straight? You seem like a straight shooter. All right.
Yes.
If you're trying to pay for a full funeral, you're definitely going to pay more than $100 a month at 77, 76, 77, right? So you're kind of at a point where we got to decide, what your max is, and then my suggestion would be you're either going to have to plan to be cremated, or James and Marilyn are going to be coming out of pocket to pay for some of this funeral because I don't want to put your budget too high monthly. At 76, we could get you $5,000 in coverage, which would certainly pay for a cremation. That runs like only $73 a month. Would you be able to squeeze that? Or would that be, how would you feel there? So you don't have to have James and Marilyn pay for it.
Well, like I say, I'm really tight. I don't get much Social Security.
How much do you get each month?
I pay my bills out of that.
Yeah. How much does Social Security pay you?
Let me think right off the bat. I'm gonna say, I don't got a hole in my mind left me too.
I definitely understand that.
I want to say 1586.
Okay.
Let me see. Yeah, 1586.
1586. Okay. All right. And you get paid on the 3rd. So so again, you got a couple options. Someone's either going to have to come out of pocket $4 to $6 grand when you pass, or you essentially could put it on a payment plan and take care of it that way. If you did the 5,000, Ms. Audine, it'd only be $73 a month, but that would make it so James and Marilyn get some money to get the 5,000 when you pass away. If we line that up to come out on your Social Security, are you good if we put it on the Social Security day, and then you may have to give up a couple packs of cigarettes a month or something silly, but if you squeeze, I mean, you're gonna have to give up something to squeeze it in, girl, or James and Marilyn gonna be paying for this sucker.
Heard that.
So can you make that? That's about the lowest I can go. Otherwise, and the good news is for you, Miss Audine, the positive side of it is you ain't had to pay for this for 76 years. Some people get it cheaper monthly, but they've been paying on it for 20 or 30 years. You know what I mean? So you're paying significantly less over time because you took your chances and were living wild with no insurance. But I want to make sure that if we set it up, you'll be comfortable with that, because I don't want you to have to pay a little bit and then have to cancel down the road. That would make no sense.
Yeah,
So I guess the question is, how important is it to you to make sure that James and Marilyn don't have to pay? Because you ain't getting out of paying for it. Someone's going to pay. Either you're going to pay while you're living, or they're going to pay when you die.
No.
Can we make that work? 73 bucks. And I'll make it come out on your Social Security day, so you don't have to worry about it the rest of the month. It won't be a surprise. It won't hit you.
I have to just go back and go through my bills again.
Well, the bills ain't going to change.
Give me a
Can I make you a
for 5,000? Is that what you said?
Yeah, can I make you a suggestion? I do this all the time, Miss Audine. When folks know they need some insurance and they're a little bit timid to pull the trigger, when we line it up with Social Security, and that's one of the first bills to be paid for, naturally some of the other stuff you'll naturally won't pay for. You'll let some other things go. You know, what I always do tell people is when they tell me they got to go look at their bills and get back to me, it might be another 76 years before we talk. And it's only going to get more expensive at your birthday in January. So you ain't got much time before it goes up in price too. So, and you think you can make 73 bucks a month work for the siblings? It'll take us about 10 minutes to set you up, and you won't have to think about it ever again in life.
I don't know. Give me the figures again. 5,000.
5,000 in coverage. It'd be $73.17. There's another company that will cover you. I'm looking at two different. 5,000 at a different company is $100.25. But the one I quoted you, I can get you a little discount on. It's $73 only. So I can save you like 30 bucks compared to what's out there. Well, here's what I'm going to do. I don't want to push you. So if you good not committing, I'll let you get away with not committing. That's okay for me. But I want to make sure you're satisfied. If I can help you, I will. How do you want to handle it from here? What do you suggest we do?
Well, I'm not going to do it today, but I've got you. What's your last name?
Wetmore, Wetmore.
Oh, just a minute. I dropped my finger. Jesus. Wetmore.
Yep, Wetmore. All right, I just had the system send you an email and a text with those two options, 5,000 and 10,000. If and when you talk to your siblings, if you'd like me to help you out, you can either reply back to text. The one that's going to come to you is from my office number.
Okay.
This that you're talking to me on now is my cell number.
Oh, okay.
So either one works, but I just sent you a text from the other number. It's also a 678 number. If and when you decide, you just reply there and let me know what you want to do, and I'll give you a call back. We'll set up another time, okay?
John, thank you so much.
Yes, ma'am. You have a blessed day, Miss Audine.
You do the same.
Thank you, ma'am.
Nice holiday.
Appreciate you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
John, when your days are running behind like this and you got people and you can't get a hold of them again,
Yeah.
how do you reach back out? You just text them? I mean,
Yeah, I just keep calling. Yeah, I mean, right now, the way I'm doing it, I have the system that will send them a text as like, hey, you missed our appointment. And then now, because I have this dialer, I have her following back up with no-shows and shit. And then I just keep calling them, dude. I don't give a shit if I call them on time or late. That shit like that don't bother me. So I just keep calling them if I can. You know what I mean? It's a balance of new appointments versus following up. Yeah, I'm not going to blow people up 58 times because I have so many fucking people that I can talk to. I figure if I call enough people, I'll have conversations all day.
yeah.
So,
And if you get a hold of them, hey, sorry, man.
yeah, I don't care at all. You know what I mean? It says what it is. We miss them. I try my best, but I'm pretty fucking, well, I'm about caught up now because let's see, the 12:30, fucking weird enough, his phone number's now not in service. The 12 o'clock I sold, that took a while. The 11 o'clock is the one I just didn't make the sale on, so I called her after the 12. And then the 1:30 didn't answer, and I'm about to call my 2 o'clock. So I'm like back on time now because I just had two no-shows, basically. Granted, they're no shows because I was fucking 2 hours late, but
Yeah.
whatever.
You said that was magically out of service.
Yeah, somebody's phone number is now out of service. I don't know.
Hey, are you calling cell phone or like
My cell phone.
app?
Just my cell phone.
Okay. Because I was having that issue and people were blocking me, and that's because I call them my iPhone.
I've done that when I
My
called.
number.
I've called someone from Sideline before and it worked. But normally it doesn't say no longer in service. It's usually a different message.
Well, mine, it gives you like head tone, like beep, beep, beep.
Nah, this one said it.
Sir.
This one's like, this one said,
well,
they probably didn't pay their fucking bill. I just called the next one, keep it moving. Hey, James.
Hello.
Hey, James, how are you, bud? It's John.
Oh, how you doing, John?
Man, I could not be any better, brother. How about you?
Doing pretty good. No complaints. No complaints.
I love it. I was just giving you a call back about this insurance you were interested in. Is now still a good time?
Good. I got a few minutes. Yeah.
Okay. You about to run out the house or what?
Yeah, just waking up, relaxing and stuff. Yeah, just get ready for the day.
Yeah, I love it. I love it. All right. Well, tell me what you were looking for. Do you have any insurance now or none at all, or what's your situation?
Oh yeah, I got insurance. Got it man, you know.
For life insurance. This is the final expense life insurance program you applied for.
I got no life insurance now.
Uh-oh. Why not?
Just hadn't had time to really check into it like I wanted to.
Okay. How old are you? How old are you, James?
78.
78 years. You ain't, all right. Well, we're gonna find some time today, buddy. Let me ask you this. What's the plan? You pass away, you doing funeral, cremation, or what's your plan?
I'm VA gonna take care of me, but I'm a vet, so
Will they cover everything under the sun?
I don't know that taken too. I know they bury you and stuff like that, but I don't get cremated.
Yeah.
It's not a problem with the funeral.
Yeah, they do. If you're in the insurance space and trying to build an agency, or you're trying to like break records in sales, just hit new levels, new heights, click the link below to apply to my consulting and coaching program that I have out there. I'm helping tons of people get to new levels, get to new income heights, help them build their teams, put systems in place, staffing stuff, recruiting processes, automations, and just teaching people how to get to a point where they're selling on their own pen, 30, 40, 50 grand a month. And if they're building a team, teaching how to have an effective structure to your insurance agency for the most profitability you can. There is an application process. I'm only looking to work with like high-end people who really want to make big things happen. If you're interested, click the link, apply, and if you're a fit, I'll reach out.
I know the VA do all that. Give me a funeral plot, so
Yeah, they'll give you the plot and stuff. They won't pay for the whole service, or if you have to be transported. There's things they do pay for and things they don't. I assume you're aware of that, right? Are you trying to get a little bit of insurance to leave behind for family so they don't have to pay for it, or what's the plan?
Oh, I gotta leave my wife and my children or something. Yeah, that's the plan.
Leave the wife and children some. Okay. Got it. Let's see. Have you looked at life insurance before? You said you hadn't looked at it yet. The costs and things.
Different program they got, but stuff, but need no go through no medical stuff and all that. You just call and get
Yep. That's what I do. So what I do, so you don't have to mess with all kinds of different companies, James. I'm one of the underwriters, so I can pull up your medical history and look around at all the different insurance companies to see who's the best deal for you out there. Do you have a number in mind on as far as how much you're trying to leave behind for the wife and kids?
At least 50,000 when you leave her 25 and leave the kids for the 25 to split up,
Have you got some prices on that before or no?
No, they say I'll leave that to further. Yes, I know how things work, so I got some things on my credit I'm trying to get taken off, some stuff that's down there, maybe about 10 years or so, something like that. Some late charges, but still messing my credit up. Although I don't owe anybody anything, got it been paid off out of my debt.
Good.
So I'm just trying to wait to get that straightened out by the first of the year, because I know the value of credit here to lower your prices with everything, guys.
How's your health, James? You got anything going on health wise?
I let all the other old folks, high blood and stuff like that. Just not high blood, also,
Yep.
I just take blood pressure medication till that's all, but other than that, let the old folks down.
Yeah, buddy. No, the cancer ain't found you yet?
No, man, I had what they call prostate cancer, but I had that whole prostate removed since it was all still contained in the sacs. I just had that taken care of. So.
Yeah, we all get that one.
It helped me a lot.
Yeah. When was that, roughly?
Oh man, probably about 7, 8 years ago, maybe 10. I don't keep
Long
up with
time.
this stuff.
Yeah, not recently.
Yeah.
That's fine. Any heart issues in the last couple of years?
Man, other than high blood and cholesterol, I'm fine.
Okay. Okay. So you only take medicine for those two things now? Hell yeah. Okay. So you're pretty good. Do you smoke or no?
No, I don't smoke.
Okay. Got it. All right. You said you want to leave behind. All right. Let's see. All right. Well, how important is it that you leave some money behind?
I don't want her to be struggling with nothing if I leave, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Yeah, some people want to leave money behind until they realize they got to pay for it, and then they get weird. So I'm like I can work magic, but not that much.
Oh no, I know it ain't free.
Yes, sir. All right, let's see. Let me plug in your stuff here. I got you at James. What's height and weight look like? What's your height and weight? Roughly.
6'5", now I think I'm around about 260. I was like 245 on.
But you're 6'5"? You're 6'5", you said?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So you ain't that overweight. A little bit, but not bad. You're a big man.
You know,
Yeah. I get it. It does make getting around a little harder with the belly in the way. Got it. All right, let me look at a couple of what I'll do basically, James. The process is pretty simple, man. If you're looking to leave some money behind for family, basically what I'll do is I'll plug in your age, plug in your health stuff, which seems you're pretty healthy. It'll give me a few different options for you. Basically, I'll tell you how much it will cost, and for each amount, and you basically tell me which amount you're willing to pay monthly, and help you get some coverage. Have you thought about it all, leaving, I don't know, 25 to 50 grand behind, monthly, what you're willing to put towards that? Like some people put 200, 300, $400 a month. Some people want to put $150 a month. Have you put any thought into it at all?
critical stuff figured out, so I get it. Lowest price possible, just trying to get some things cleared up.
Well, the policy won't. The policy.
A couple of hundred or something, I realize that. So.
Yeah, for sure. Now, I want to make sure you understand, James. Your credit will not affect the policy price. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
You could have a 300 credit score, and the policy price is still the same. Yeah. So I can certainly get you something there. All right. So what if we do this? What if I pull? Because if I can pull your prescription history, it'll take me just a minute or two. You said cancer was 7, 8 years ago. I can basically pull up your medication history and see that I can get you approved. First of all, who will approve you, and then it'll spit out pricing options for us, and then we can kind of compare and contrast, and I'll let you pick one. Is that fair?
Yeah, go ahead. I'm in no obligation to take anything, so go ahead. I'll see what y'all.
Nah, you don't have to do anything you don't want. I just want to make sure I can actually get you something. Instead of a quote, I'm going to actually pull your medical history so I can get you a real price, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Let me do this.
I don't know what's all on my history, but I know what I take now.
Okay.
So, mm-hmm.
All right, let's do this. Let's just pull it up and we'll see. And then you tell me what you like and we'll go from there. And if you hate it, you just hang up on me.
All right, no problem.
All right, let's see. But like I told you, I do this for a ton of different companies, so I'll shop it around and see what price I could get you. Let's see. Are you here in Georgia? Where are you at?
Yeah, I'm in Georgia. I'm in Kennesaw.
Oh, no way. Okay, I'm right in my office is in Kennesaw, right off Stylesboro, but I live in Marietta. I know. What's your home address? All right, let me plug in this health stuff. You said you have none of this stuff. No Alzheimer's, no dementia, no organ transplants, none of that stuff. I know you said no to a bunch of this, but they make me read it out loud. You said no heart failure, no cancer, no Parkinson's. You said none of that. No diabetes history, right?
No.
Cool. I never had a stroke or anything.
No.
Let's see. No tobacco, no DUIs or felonies in the last 2 years, I assume. Perfect. All right. I'm going to have this system shoot you a text message, and there's going to be a little code in it that's going to confirm your identity and let me get you some pricing, okay?
All right, send me a text message.
Yep, you're going to see a text from a 469 number, and there's going to be a 6-digit code in there I need you to read to me, okay? That is perfect. All right, let me plug away over here. All right, that worked. Thank you, sir. All right, if you just hang tight for me for about maybe, I don't know, 2 minutes or so, this thing is going to do its job, and it'll give us an answer here in just a minute, okay? I'm going to put you on a brief hold. You won't hear any music or anything, but I'll be here if you need me, okay? All right, buddy, hang tight. All right, James. Transamerica approved you up to $25,000. This product. Let me see how much. Let's look at some pricing options now for you. Oh, let's see. If you want, you got a pen and paper handy?
No, go ahead.
You want to read them? All right. If you get, let's see, 25 grand, only run you $368 a month if you want 25. If you want to go, let me write that down. 25K, 368. If you want to do 20 grand, it's only 295. And if you want 15, those are the three options, 15, 20, or 25. 15 run you only 222.
No, I ain't trying to be funny, but I believe I can beat that. I get, especially for 25, 300 something, 25. Last time I did it, shit, I didn't pay out that much. I had over 25.
When was that? That was a long time ago, though, huh?
Maybe a couple of years back. Wasn't that long, bro?
Yeah.
Wasn't that long.
Yeah.
I appreciate you, though, man, but that ain't giving me what I want. That's a little too much money just for that little bit of insurance.
I'm a man.
I ain't trying to be funny, but I've
you
been around here a little while. I know the thing that's a little too much for a little bit of money.
You good?
Too much. A little small insurance, a little bit of too much money, man.
Hey, it's all good, buddy. Here's what I'll do. I'm gonna have the system shoot you a text with your options. If you shop around and find something better, go for it. If you decide you want some help, you let me know, okay?
Okay,
All right, you too, homie. See you.
Plus, when people start talking about bad credit and like real bad credit, you guys start worrying about chargebacks.
Yeah, he wasn't that fucking clearly that worried.
Yeah.
So I'll take a coin flip. I mean, I've done 3 coin flips today, and I've fucking written 8 grand. So I just.
Hey, you're right. You spend 7 minutes getting a no, or spend an hour getting a no. It takes
Correct.
7 minutes.
Yeah, I literally just fucking move on with my day. And he's right. He'll get it cheaper somewhere else. I'm sure he will. But honestly, I don't think he's going to be out there fucking shopping for insurance today.
Makes sense.
Yep. And I'm fucking behind. And to be honest, my fucking Maddox and Steph are out, and I'm kind of ready to be done with my fucking day. And I don't really have to do much of this shit. I don't know. Throw it up, see what happens. That was what I chose on that one. Which you can do when you talk to 30 fucking people a week. Can't live like that when you talk to fucking 3 a week. Doesn't work. But I got so many fucking people to talk to today. I don't care that I just go through them and find laydowns. That does not bother me to live like that.
Better way to live.
I would run my whole career, bro. I'll push. I mean, y'all see me push on some. I mean, the one I closed this morning, I pushed the shit out of her.
That one lady
The one I closed yesterday, I pushed hard too. The one last night and the one this morning, I pushed them both. So I'll push a little, especially the more the need is, the more I push. What am I going to fucking push with him? He's like, I'm a vet. I got everything taken care of. I just want to leave some money behind. I ain't fucking beating him over the head. But
that's something that's about as hard as you'll push them.
Yeah. I mean, I ain't fucking begging nobody to buy no insurance.
Yeah. Got you.
I just tell the truth. Because the truth is, if we hang up, we ain't talking again. And the truth is, she spent 75 fucking years making a decision. If she don't make it now, she ain't making it tomorrow. I promise you. So I push. And if that don't work, I move on with my day and I talk to fucking 6 more people. Sale. Lots of sales. Holy shit. Sales. Follow up. Okay, who's next?
Hello?
Hey, Miss Mary.
Yes.
Hey, what's up, Mary? It's John over with the insurance. How are you today?
Hey.
Good. I was just giving you a call about the insurance info you filled out. I think I'm calling you a little bit early, but I had a little bit opening. Wanted to see if now was okay.
Yeah, this is fine.
I love it. Good deal. I thought I might get lucky if I called you early. You having a good day so far?
So far, yeah.
That's good. Nobody messed it up yet, huh?
Cold, catching snow, so
Oh, are you? No kidding. You're in Illinois, right?
yeah, we're a little bit north of St. Louis.
Oh boy. Yeah, it's gonna be a doozy. Yep, it's freezing out there, ain't it, right now?
Oh yeah.
I'm in Atlanta and it's pretty cold, and we tend to stay kind of warm.
Right. Okay.
Yeah, very cool. All right, so looks like you were trying to get some life insurance. Do you have anything in place now or nothing at all? What are we starting with?
Well, I have a pre-burial cremation. I've had that done for years.
Okay, like paid for it, like the funeral home kind of thing?
Yeah,
Okay.
I've already paid for it. Yeah.
Okay. So pre-need done. All right. And what were you looking for when you filled this out? Just some extra money to leave behind, or what was the plan?
I guess I had bills for the kids to pay.
Sure. Okay. Makes sense. Let's see. You got a mortgage, car payments, credit cards, things like that to take care of?
I have no credit cards.
Okay.
I own my home.
Like outright? No mortgage?
No mortgage.
Hey, yeah, good for you. Congrats.
My husband and I moved here 6 years ago, and he died a year and a half ago.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that.
Yeah.
Man, how long were y'all married?
46 years.
No kidding. Okay. I'm sorry to hear that. Condolences on that one. Was it health stuff, unexpected, or what happened?
Pneumonia, but he had dementia.
Oh gosh, got it. That's tough.
Last year and a half.
Is a year and a half dealing with it?
Yeah, he died 2 years in this coming February.
Yeah, that's tough. Watching people memory go away. I've seen that so many times. It's crazy. Well,
Oh yeah.
that's about the hardest way to go, I've heard. For the family.
We ended up having to feed him and walk him, and it was.
And he doesn't know.
Yeah.
Did he even know who the hell you were by the end, or no?
Kind of think he did, yeah.
Sometimes, yeah. That's good. At least fortunate there. I've heard a lot of clients where they don't even know. They don't have a clue who their family is anymore. That's.
Mother said, "You're not my daughter." I said, "Yeah, I know." So.
Makes sense. Well, the fortunate side of it. All right, I got you day of birth down at right. Do you smoke or no?
Yes, I do.
Uh-oh. Even are you trying to quit? Planning on quitting? You gonna smoke till you're in the grave? You're quitting? Okay, I like it. Let's see. How tell me about your health. You got anything major going on, or what's health like?
I've got my diabetes type 2. It's under control for years.
Okay.
I don't even hear anymore because my blood sugar's so low.
Good.
Once people,
You still on metformin? Do you take metformin or something for it, or no?
no,
You don't even take. Okay, no, not any medicine for the diabetes anymore.
I take Trelegy.
Oh, got it. Yep.
COPD, that asthma, chronic kidney disease.
Okay. COPD, oxygen or just the inhalers?
Inhaler.
Okay. And how long? Tell me about the kidney disease. What are they doing there? They treating it, or is it bad, or what's the prognosis like?
What I'm doing, the doctor said last month. He said, "You're doing great. You got it, under control. You're on stage 3.
You are stage 3. Okay.
It was 4.5. So I've whatever I can identify. Sure.
Did they put you on some pills at first for it, I assume?
No, just 128.
No way. Okay. Never pills. Interesting. I got diagnosed with kidney disease at some point and they gave me pills and I hated them. And it all went away when you eat right. I learned. So, okay. So no medications for that at all.
No,
Okay. All right. So COPD is the main thing. Anything else? Or is that enough for you?
got asthma.
Asthma. Okay. Makes sense. You got multiple inhalers?
Yeah,
Okay. And you said no oxygen, correct?
no oxygen.
Okay. Got it. So diabetes, kidney, but not treated. When was that? When did they first tell you that? Has it been a long time or is it recent?
Oh, it's been years.
Got it. Okay. Do you still see a nephrologist or you don't have to go
Yeah,
You
I
do.
see in 3 months.
every 3 months? Okay. 6 months. Got it. All right, let me pull some up here. Let me look at a few options. Okay. And do you take medications for anything else?
I'm controlling my blood pressure to
Okay.
reduce that.
Okay.
I take the started me on Lexapro
Hmm.
about a month ago.
Okay. Just for anxiety.
Depression.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Dealing with the grief and all that.
Yeah. I was on Lexapro for 10 years, actually. I'm very familiar with it.
Pardon?
I said I was on Lexapro for about 10 years myself. Yeah. Let's see. Let me look up this. Kidney. Let's see. Out there. Not kidney failure. That's good. Okay. See, I have that. I'm kind of peeking at some options for you here. So obviously, what I have to do is I have to kind of compare and contrast your health stuff with different insurance companies. So one, see who will approve you, because I'll kind of shop it around, look at different options for you, and then two, figure out kind of pricing based on your health here. Let me plug a few things in for you and see what we can pull up. Okay. So I have a company that will definitely cover the kidney disease. I wrote someone this morning some insurance that had kidney disease. They get approved. There's a caveat to it. Like I said, they want to make sure you're not kind of 1 foot in the grave. And I'm sure you've heard of the programs where they kind of have that 2 year period where if you die because of that stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, those are not bad programs. The way they work is if you leave the house, if you're as healthy as you say you are and you're doing good, typically what we see is, and you tell me how you feel about this, a lot of folks at your age, as you know, tend to die of accidental death. You fall down the stairs, crazy stuff happens. That side of death is covered immediately, right? So if you die of any kind of accidental death, it's covered immediately. Because of the kidney disease, they just want basically an agreement that says, well, you say you're healthy, but we're going to make you prove you're healthy by telling you if you die because of that in the next 2 years, that says you weren't healthy. However, if you make the 2 years, then you're covered just like you had no kidney disease, right? They just want to make sure that, again, you didn't find out, and there's no way to prove it. So they go, all right, if you got the kidney disease, let's kind of have this 2 year interim. You'll be covered on the accidental side. What I always recommend to folks is to put that in place. The sooner you put it in place, the sooner the 2 years comes. Right? And the day the 2 years comes, now you're covered just like you didn't have kidney disease. So it's not a negative. And along the way, Ms. Mary, if you were to pass away, just say you do pass away in that 2 year period. It works no differently than if you took that money and you put it in a savings account, except the insurance company is going to give you 10% interest instead of basically zero interest your bank gives you. So there is a benefit to putting it inside insurance. One, they give you more interest. And then two, the money doesn't have to go through probate or courts or legal fights. The money just goes directly to beneficiary that you name. So it doesn't get caught up in any of the other stuff when people pass away. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. So if you're open to that, I can certainly put you in a plan that will give you insurance. And then again, my suggestion is get that 2 year clock ticking. That way you get it here as fast as possible. Are you good with that? Certainly, I'm going to give you some pricing, but in concept.
Yeah, I'm just looking around and I'm gonna find out, exactly, what I've been having to pay, because I want to fix income.
Yeah, yeah. That's what I'm about to do for you. There's only like 3 companies that will do that. Gerber, Corbridge, and Fidelity. Those are the 3 that will cover that, and they're all the same way. Now you do see stuff on TV that will give you pricing with no. You've probably seen them. No health questions, yada yada. The downside about those, and the reason I can put you in one of those, but I'll tell you the difference. They're a little bit cheaper, so you could get a little bit lower monthly payment with one of those plans. The downside is though, when you turn 80, it's going to go up in price, and a lot of times when you turn 85, it goes away. So if you're open to the option of the 2-year wait, instead of having one of the ones that starts cheap and goes up in price over time, what I usually put my clients in is one that never changes. It's a little bit more money today than you would see on TV, but it will not go up on you as you age. It stays one price forever. And the policy will never go away on you.
Okay.
So would you rather have one a little bit cheaper now that goes up later or goes away? Or would you rather pay a little bit more to be able to keep it forever?
I like to have, a regular payment every month.
Yeah, where it doesn't change on you, right?
Right.
Okay. Okay, cool. I just want to make sure. Some people like it cheap and they go, well, I'll take it cheap because if I die in the next few years, it's cheaper. And I don't.
Myself, we traded cars in April, so I have a better car I can drive.
Okay.
We had a Fiat before, stick shift.
Mm-hmm.
Anyway, my goal is to pay the car before I broke.
Yeah. Okay. Makes sense. Makes sense. That's a good thing. Let's see. So you got the pre-need done. You don't really need a lot of insurance, it sounds like, do you?
No.
Okay. You thinking like 5 to 10 grand, or you want like $1 million?
Oh.
No, 5 to 10 grand. Okay. I'm gonna have you write down 10,000 as the first option, and then we'll do 7,500 and 5,000. Again, let me pull up the different options. And again, the way this one will work is the pricing on this. None of them will ever change on you. The coverage amount will never change on you. And they call the plan is what they call whole life. So you can write that down, whole life. And all that means is it literally lasts your whole life. It doesn't run out on you. So if you decide that you want to apply for the 10,000, so write down 10,000 first. That one you can get away with for only $144.
Okay.
If you go with 7,500, that one will run you $115.
Okay.
And if you go with the basic, like normally cremation, but I know you have the pre-need done, a $5,000 policy, that one's only $73.
73.
Yeah. So 144, 115, or 73. Of the 3, which one would make the most sense for you to start with, you think?
Probably the 5,000. I only make 1,500 a month, so
Yeah.
I don't like it.
It's no worries. That'll be good to. Who would you have as the beneficiary of that? I don't think you told me earlier.
My oldest son is my power attorney. So I guess
Okay. What's his first name?
Well, like I said, I'm just pricing right now.
Okay. Well, that's what I just did for you, was price it out. I thought that's what we were doing now. You want me to show you different pricing options? Because I got more, but they're more. Yeah. So I'll tell you the 2 other companies. So another company, I'm gonna stick with the 5,000 because I'm gonna show you all the pricing for them all. That one is through Corbridge. Okay, it's $73 for $5 grand. There's another company called Sika, Corbridge. Yep.
Okay.
That one is the $73.
Right.
If you go with Sika, which is another company you may not have heard of, theirs is $101. Yeah, for the same 5,000. Same benefits, same plans. So nobody picks that one because it's more expensive. And the last one I tell you, you're going to hate even more because it's even more expensive than Seeker. It's like 110, and that's Fidelity. So it saves you the ability to have to look around because I'm an underwriter for all these companies, so I can pull them all up and see all the pricing. Corebridge is the one that focuses on folks over 65 and specifically for those with health issues that just want to put a little bit of money aside to make sure that their family doesn't have to, either have nothing when you pass away or whatever. So ultimately, my job is to find the cheapest plan for you, because a lot of folks try to shop around, and what'll happen is if you start looking at some of them again that sound cheaper, they're going to be ones that go up on you in price down the road. So my recommendation to you would be Corebridge, because it's the cheapest policy for 5,000 that will not change on you ever. Unless you want me to put you in one of those ones that changes on you, then you might have another option.
I don't know how much it would go up between now and whenever.
You're not gonna like at age 80, it goes through the roof. I can look one up for you. If you went with one that is lower, I could get you into a plan for probably $60 a month. But by the time you're 80, it's gonna run about 120 a month. And then by the time you're 85, it's gonna be like 190 a month. Yeah. Which is not smart, obviously, and why I don't recommend it. But I wanted to save you the time from having to look at it, but I also figured I'd share it with you. So ultimately, I'm kind of like your private shopper. So I guess with that, do you prefer the Corebridge, or do you want one of the ones that's more expensive?
I'd probably go with the Corebridge because it's 73.
I agree. I agree. And you want to leave that one to your son, you said?
Yeah, and he's about 30, so I might as well,
Okay. Now, since you're on, I think you mentioned you're obviously on a fixed income and a budget. What Corebridge does that I like also is they line this. You don't have to pay now. They'll line it up to come out when you get your Social Security check to make it convenient for you. What day do you get that? A certain Wednesday of the month, or do you get it on the first or the third? The third. Okay. Okay. And I assume you'd want to line it up with that. Would that make sense to you too?
Oh, yeah. Like I said, I want to talk it over with my son.
Okay. What do you think he'll say? So can I give you some advice or feedback anyway? Here's what I've learned. I've been doing this a long time. You want to get insurance to not obviously leave a burden behind, correct? It's usually what people want. When like if my mom called me and said, "Hey, I want to get some insurance for you. Here's the price." Now I don't want to be a burden on her. So what do you think I would tell her?
Do it.
I would tell her not to do it because I don't want to be a burden. I don't want her to, you know what I mean? I don't want her to pay for me and she doesn't want to pay. Both of us don't want to be a burden. So what I find is when people call their kids tell them no because they don't want to obligate you to pay for them. Right? But naturally as parents, we want to make sure we take care of our kids. So I can promise you if you call your son and ask, there's a high chance he'll say, "Mom, I'm good. I'll figure it out."
Yeah, that's fine.
Yes, ma'am. So the question is, do you want to take care of leaving some money behind for your son? Or do you want to give him the opportunity to tell you no?
Yeah, we talked about this, I guess, last year when he and I made my will. He looked around for life insurance, which I should have had.
If you're an insurance agent and you feel like you're stuck, you've hit a wall, you're trying to figure out sales strategies, the scripts to use, how to get like off the ground and get to that top of the leaderboard type status, I have a course that I've put out, super affordable. I'm getting a ton of great feedback from people every day on the strategies they've learned and been able to implement, from goal setting to sales techniques to calendar scheduling, everything you would need to get your business off the ground and get running quickly. jwcourse.com, click the link below and get in there today.
Since I was 30, but anyway, he said you might as well put the amount that you would be paying in a savings account.
Yeah. So if you take $73 and you put it into a savings account and you die in 6 months, how much will you have?
Couple of dollars.
Okay, what if you die in 2 years? How much are you going to have? Significantly less than $5,000. All right.
Right.
And so it takes typically a decade plus for that break-even point to work at, to where it adds up to what you can save. And then usually when people have to go the savings route, they let life get in the way and they forget to keep saving money. You know what I mean? Whereas insurance guarantees it, whether you die, if you put $73 in with the insurance company and you die tomorrow, how much will your son get? Right? If you die, well, in this case, after your 2 years, he gets the full $5,000 right away. You know what I mean? And then the cool thing is for you, Miss Mary, if let's just say, I don't know, 5 years down the road, I don't know, you hit the lottery, your son hits the lottery, you decide you don't need it. These plans do build cash value. So you will have some cash in the policy that you can then cash out down the road. It's not dollar for dollar, right? Because you do have to pay for the insurance, but you don't get stuck with zero because it does build up some cash value over time. Yeah. And keep in mind, the interest rate with the insurance company is 10%. Do you know what it is with your bank?
Probably 2.
It's like 0.2. So I'm not one to push someone to make a decision, but I'm going to push you gently to do what I think you know you need to do. But I want to make sure you're comfortable with proceeding.
Right. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go back through my bills
Okay.
and see, I don't know how much I'm going to get for the increase in Social Security. I don't know. See what I can fit into my budget.
Well, the good news is the way they work is they take it out on the day your Social Security comes out, which means then you get to go back to your bills and go, all right, well, my insurance is paid for. You don't have a car, you don't have a mortgage. You got a car note. Yep. So your car note will be paid for. Obviously, that's a priority, right? Insurance would come out because it comes out with your Social Security. And then from there, now you get to look at your bills and go, well, shit, here's what I got left. I got to cut something else out.
Yeah. I got insurance. I got home insurance.
Yep. Making the insurance the last bill means you'll never pay it because you'll always prioritize something else. So what I always have clients do is put the insurance in and you go through your bills and figure out how to cut something else out. That way your kid gets the money you want them to get.
Right.
Are you okay with that? And you don't have to pay me today. I don't need money. We just line it up with your Social Security date.
Did you call me back Monday after I've gone through my bills?
I can if that's what you want to do. Can I can. I can get you an approval today and get you in place. And then if you decide this was a really stupid idea, you can cancel it, which I hate giving people that suggestion, but I don't think you'll do that. I think once you pull the trigger, you'll be comfortable that you made a good decision.
Okay, I can do that.
Tell me your son's name so I can put him down. All right. And you said you get your Social Security on the 3rd. So the policy will not go into effect until the 3rd.
I do want you to call me Monday and make this. You're going to put this on hold, right? Until I talk to you.
Yeah, I mean, if like I said, if you decide you don't want it, I'm never going to force someone to get a policy. Well, I guess my question is outside of just kind of nerves and making sure budget. Otherwise, you're fine with it, correct?
Yes.
Okay, good. As long as you're good and like I just want to make sure because I don't want to push you at all. Does that make sense? Like if you somehow go like, holy shit, I forgot I have this massive bill I forgot about. You know what I mean? Or medical, all good. But if all things being equal, you're good with the policy and you're good with the price and it's just a hesitation, I'm good putting it to start. And again, if but if you think for sure Monday you're going to cancel it, you can just tell me now and I definitely won't even input it. But if you're pretty comfortable with the pricing, as long as you're comfortable there, I don't mind helping you set it up. And you always have the ability, Miss Mary, to cancel anything because the insurance company will be happy to not cover you if you decide you don't want to pay. You know what I mean? Because they're not obligated. So with any insurance, just like your homeowners, you could call and cancel today. Your car insurance, you could call and cancel today. You can call and cancel this any day. But if you're 100% sure you're going to cancel it on Monday, I'd rather not put you through the process. But if you're pretty confident with the price and the face amount, I think we can put it through. And then, yes, I will follow up with you on Monday if you're good otherwise.
Okay.
You okay with that? I want to make sure you're comfortable.
I just want to make sure I can.
Yes, ma'am. Yep, I gotcha. I talk to people all the time, and I understand the hesitation. 99% of people are thankful after they make the decision. So next. And do you prefer it to come out of, do you use a checking or savings, or do you use the little government card? All right. Would you like the policy delivered to you by email or in a physical in the mail?
Mail.
Okay. All right. Last step, I'm going to have the insurance company is going to send you a text here in a second, and it's going to just have you go through on your phone. I'll walk you through it. It's pretty easy, but it'll have you log in and sign electronically. All right, you should have in your phone a text message now from a toll-free number. You'll see if that is there, and you'll see it'll say Corebridge Financial about applying for your insurance, yada yada. Let me know when you see it. All right, you'll click on that. It's going to bring up a little box for you to log in with the last four of your social.
I see click wrap. Your browser pop-up blocker is currently blocking this site.
Yep. You should be able to hit like yes or close or something for it to proceed. You scroll down till you see a little yellow box and hit check the little I agree. Let me know when you get through that. And you should at the end get a signature complete message. If you
Moving your signing ceremony, please do not close. Electronic signature confirmation.
All right, let me refresh over here and make sure it came through. Yep, it did. Good job. I'll have your confirmation and a policy number here in just a second, okay?
Well, it says view copy of signed application. Do I hit that?
No, you don't have to. You can if you want to, but you don't have to. It's just the personal information of yours I typed in. Your side is all done. It's going to refresh over here, and I'm about to send you a text message in just a minute with your new policy number. That way you have it. And you have your pen and paper handy?
Yeah.
All right. I'm gonna make sure you write down my full name. I said John, John.
My name's John, so.
Okay, easy to remember. My last name, probably not the same, is Wetmore. It's Wetmore.
Okay.
And my cell phone number is the one I'm calling from. It's 678.
Yes, I can save it.
Yep. So this number that I'm calling you from is my cell phone. I want you to save it under my name and put John Wetmore, insurance guy, or something like that. And then I'm going to send you one more text. This is going to come from my cell phone directly. There's going to be a little picture in there. I just sent you a screenshot of your policy number with your name on it, so you have it just for your records as a temporary policy until they send the new one, the physical one, in the mail to you. Let me know that you got that text, though.
I got it.
Yep, you see the... Yeah, and you see the application policy number, the 625 number?
Yes.
Yep, so that's your policy number. Just save that text just so you have it. They'll mail out a physical policy just like all your other insurance, your car insurance, your homeowners. They'll mail you a packet in the mail. You'll get it in about 2 weeks. Obviously, the holidays, mailmen tend to be a little slower, and sometimes they lose some things. If you don't get the physical policy in the mail within 2 weeks, I want you to call me back, and I'll make sure I'll download and email you one, worst case, and have them resend you one in the mail. But almost always it makes it. Sometimes the mailman's a little bit late, though.
Okay, that's going to be taken out next week.
It's scheduled to come out on the 3rd. Again, if you call me and you're like, I hate you and I don't want it, you call me, I'll cancel it. It doesn't affect me one bit. But I feel like outside of that fine and budget thing, do you feel good getting you a policy in place?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. I just want to make sure we're on the same page.
I want to go over my budget stuff and see what I can afford.
Yep, you do it. It's in there. And just what I want you to do when you look at your budget stuff is remember to prioritize the insurance and see if you can find something else to knock out, like some, I don't know, Mexican food or something or whatever. I don't know. Right? So find something else and don't find a reason to cancel this. Now, if you do, again, it doesn't affect me. It affects you and your family more. I get paid either way. I'm just an underwriter over here. I make money whether you keep this policy or not. So, outside of anything we talked about here, any questions for me while I got you on the phone, Miss Mary?
No.
Okay. If anything comes up, I want you to let me know.
Okay.
And then if you'd like to call me on Monday, either way, even if you want to give me a thumbs up, thumbs down, tell me you dislike it, anything you want, chat with you on Monday. And if you don't call, I'll just assume everything's okay and you're going to go forward. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Any last questions for me? Or are you good?
I'm good.
All right, Miss Mary. I'm glad you were able to leave some money behind for Ricky. And if you need anything from me along the way, you let me know. Okay.
I sure will.
All right, Miss Mary. You have a great day. Okay.
You too.
All right. Thank you. Bye. Does that help, Brandon and Ramey? If I want to push, I'll fucking push. If I don't want to push, I won't push.
But you gave her the outs.
I mean, everybody has
You
an
know,
out. Yeah.
Yeah. So I mean, if she didn't want it, you gave her 20 opportunities to say never mind and hang up.
100%. Yep. And I know people are people, man. People are indecisive. People don't like to make decisions. People procrastinate. She's been procrastinating 76 fucking years. You know what I'm saying? And she applied for insurance last month. So I know she wants insurance. People are just hesitant to pull the trigger. Just like Brandon's hesitant to pull the trigger to quit his fucking job. Ramey's hesitant to pull the trigger to buy some fucking leads. Daryl's hesitant to pull the trigger to fucking make phone calls at 7 a.m. Everybody's hesitant to make decisions. It's who we are as humans. I'm hesitant over some shit. You know what I mean? I've just learned to beat myself over the head to make decisions because I know we're all fucking broken. And so when I'm comfortable that the main problem is making a decision, I will push. If I really thought she couldn't afford it, I wouldn't have pushed. She has no fucking mortgage, dude. She has no bills. You know what I mean? Like, she's got the money. She just didn't want to make a decision. And I can force her this. I can go like, no, you're going to make a decision. Now, her decision could have been no. I told her she could say no 58 fucking times. You know? So if I'm comfortable with it, dude, I'll push. And again, it's fucking $70 at Corbridge. I make no fucking money. I promise it ain't for me. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I'm going to make $300 on the policy. I don't give a shit at all.
So you're cool with her. I mean, if she did fucking cancel on Monday or like, whatever.
Yeah, because who cares? I was cool if she didn't write it. I was cool if she fucking hung up on me. I'm cool if she cancels on Monday. I don't give, it's her family, dude. It ain't mine. And I write enough applications that I don't give a shit. You know? But I am going to.
That's the hat. Good.
No, go. You're good.
That's a hat trick for the day, isn't it?
That's at least 3. At least 3.
Yeah.
Yeah. And she's like, I got to figure out my budget. I'm like, cool, figure out something else to fucking drop. And I made a joke about Mexican food, and she laughed. Why? Because she knows she spends extra money on shit she don't need. Like we all
remember. Yeah, I remember you saying that along the line somewhere where you're like, yeah, list of 10 things, right, that need to come out, and you typically, the average agent will have it be like the last thing, right? The life insurance.
Yeah.
You know, you want to bump it up to like 3, 4, right behind the insurance, like the mortgage or the car payment.
Yeah. And I just walked her through that same thing. I was like, you don't have a mortgage. You have a car. Car can be first. Fine. Well, make insurance second. When you go through your budget, put insurance second. Don't try to figure out what's left for insurance. Fucking cut something else out. I told the lady this morning to quit smoking cigarettes. You know, I was like, fucking give up a pack or 2 a month. You'll be fine to afford the policy. She's gone 76 years and ain't fucking turned homeless. She'll figure out a way to pay the fucking little $70. You know what I mean? Something will get cut out. I'm not worried about shit like that.
I was thinking about that the other day with her cigarettes because I started doing the math of their cigarettes and I could tell she's seen where I was going with it. She just got pissed off and hung up on me. It's like, hey, you don't want to give it up. That's you.
You got to deliver it right. I joke with people a lot, though. I mean, you hear how sarcastic I am with these fuckers. Because I'm nice about it. You know what I mean? And I ask permission a lot. And I don't know. It's just lots of conversations. I've just had obnoxiously more conversations than all of you. I've probably had more conversations than most people on here combined.
Mm-hmm.
You know, it's just, it is what it is. So y'all just got to put in the fucking dues. That's literally it. This isn't that deep. And you're watching Craig do it. If y'all ain't figured that out, this motherfucker's selling his face off. You don't even know what he's doing still. There's some others in here. Burgundy, she's been selling a good bit. I don't know if she's in here. She's been knocking some stuff out. Fucking Daryl's figuring out how to sell. You know what I mean? They're like, some people are figuring this shit out. And it's just they're getting out of their head and getting reps in. Are you going to get no's? Yes. Are you going to get hung up on? I mean, stop. Yes. Of course. Fuck. Who cares? Y'all are just like the clients that we're trying to serve in a lot of ways. We're all that way. I was that way when I was new too. You know what I mean? We're hesitant. We don't like change. It's uncomfortable. It's, you know what I mean? Navigating things is funny. It's just learning to not accept your own bullshit sometimes.